In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reopen a completed task in Todoist. Sometimes you complete a task and check it off, only to realize later that you need to work on it again, add more details, or simply undo the completion. Fortunately, Todoist makes it very easy to bring that task back into your active list. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, open Todoist and make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your projects and tasks. To find tasks you've already completed, you'll need to use the Reports section. Look toward the top or side of your screen, depending on whether you're using the web version or the app, and click on Reports. This area is designed to show your productivity, history, and completed items, which is exactly what we want. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll see a list of tasks that have already been completed. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the specific task you want to reopen. If you have a lot of completed tasks, it can help to use filters, dates, or project views, but the main idea is to find that one task in the completed list. When you see the task you want, click on it to select it. This lets Todoist know which task you're working with. After selecting the task, look closely at the area next to the task name. You should see a check circle indicating that the task is completed. This check circle is the same one you originally clicked to complete the task. To reopen the task, simply click on that check circle again. When you do this, Todoist will uncheck the task and move it back into your active tasks. You should now be able to see it again in its original project or in your main task view, just like any other active task that still needs to be done. That's all there is to it. Open the Report section, select your completed task, and click the check circle beside the task name to bring it back. This is especially useful if you completed something by mistake, or if a task needs to be revisited, updated, or repeated. Now you know exactly how to quickly and confidently reopen a completed task in Todoist.